Today, we are at Makabata Foundation Incorporated. And today, it is a gift-giving event sponsored by Bobet and Ruthie Vera with their children Anton, Francesca, Miguel, and Paulo, and Empowering Brilliant Minds.
We are happy to have here with us today members of the family and those who are working in this marvelous foundation that is helping those children who are really wonderful in intellect, but they are poor, and sometimes it is for them impossible to escalate all the different difficulties that the society is surrounding them.
Makabata is one of our beneficiaries in our aim and in our commitment to promote primary education in the less privileged sector of society. And today we would like to bring the Christmas cheers to these children and greet them and their families Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year 2014, most especially coming from the Vera family.
Ang Empowering Brilliant Minds tumutulong para yung mga bata makapag-aral. So, andito kami para mag-celebrate ng Christmas kasama kayo. That is why may dala-dala kaming regalo para sa bawat isa sa inyo.
Thank you so much for that very, very nice welcome. When Ms. Basas told us about this event, we rushed down here.
Every teacher can learn the same thing, can teach the same way, but there's an empathy. You can relate to your students way better because I guess Filipinos are young at heart, or just better teachers.
Hi, we're in the Makabata School in Pasig City, and it is December 18th, exactly a week before Christmas, and we just decided to give a bunch of gifts, a bunch of supplies to the Makabata students for them to use at home.
Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa Empowering Brilliant Minds na mga bumubuo po dito, lalo na po kay Ate Francesca, na siya po na ang dahilan kung bakit po kami nakakatanggap ng mga regalo, mga tulong na magbibigay saya sa aming mga kabataan, sa mga batang nakakatanggap. Ito po ay may malaking biyaya para sa mga tao at magbibigay inspirasyon para makatulong rin.
One of the best things about being part of Empowering Brilliant Minds Foundation is that you get an opportunity to meet those that you're helping. It's not only a statistic, it's not only a profile on a paper. We get to see the smiles on these kids' faces, on the teachers' faces, and it's an amazing, transformative experience.
Gusto ko po sabihin sa inyo na maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay nyo ng inspirasyon sa aming mga kabataan. Maraming salamat po sa handog na binigay nyo at regalo na binahagi nyo sa amin, na kahit sa gantong paraan, napapakita nyo po sa amin na mahalaga po yung Pasko. At maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
I would like to thank the sponsor, the Empowering Brilliant Minds, for their generosity, and I hope that this will not be the end of their help in our school. Again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone.
Hello, Ate Francesca. Salamat po para sa regalong bigay nyo sa pamilya mo rin. Tsaka, malaking tulong na rin po ito sa akin, hindi lang sa akin, pati na rin sa pamilya ko.
I like to say not only thanks,